Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Over the Seas. Today we are at Jourdeness Castle. This is in Chiayi. People all over Taiwan flocking to just pay a visit. You'll be surprised to know that this castle has not been built for kings or queens, but for the beauty products. Yes, you heard me right. This castle not only attracts the people who are interested in the beauty products, but also the people who just want to admire the beauty of this European themed building. Let's go inside to find out. These are the tickets and each costs us around 300 NTD, and if you are a student then you also get a discount of 50 NTD. You get the ticket for 250 NTs. Even though this is a little bit expensive, but the castle over here is so beautiful that you can spend how much ever they ask for. It costed around $3 billion to construct this amazing monument, and no doubt it looks so good and so grand, right? You might be thinking that, okay, we are not interested in the beauty product, what do we do here? You can click a lot of romantic pictures and you can take videos and make Instagram reels, TikTok reels, whatever you want. This castle looks like a palace. This is the main entrance here. You can see there are a lot of people, but since today is Monday, there are very few people when compared to the weekends. This castle has an amazing view during the evening time. A lot more people will come in the evening to take beautiful pictures. Whoever is visiting this castle, make sure to wear your long beautiful dresses so that you can take a lot of romantic pictures over here. You can also do pre-wedding shoots or post-wedding shoots over here. It's a perfect place for all that.
The dome is 50 meters in height and is said to be the tallest one in Taiwan. This castle has it all, from the beautiful fountains, European themed domes, the Roman columns, the European manors, palaces, restaurants and coffee shops, and everything to make someone feel as if they are in Europe rather than in Chiayi.
They have displayed all the pictures to honor the beautiful queens who have very unique features which make them different. This Jourdeness is the group behind this Jourdeness Castle. This is also a biotechnology park where they create amazing beauty products. And this thing you see here, this is dragon's blood. This company has received an award for this specific product. These products use natural essential oils for their fragrance and do not use any artificial fragrance for their cosmetics. So I think that is really good.
Did you know that you can also do a DIY course over here? You can make scented candles, essential oil soaps, perfumed hand fans, etc. Interesting, right? This castle is built in an area of 50,000 square meters and have been visited by 100,000 people already. This is the most popular place in Chiayi right now. There are 19 check-in hotspots in this castle and you are free to find your own spot. The pictures we clicked here are as beautiful as in a pre-wedding photo shoot. This is Charmant Bistro, one of the restaurants in the castle. These are mochi waffles, a gluten-free option. Surprisingly, they didn't have the cream included in this set. If you could spend a whole day over here, what would you do? What is the best thing that you liked about this castle? Let us know in the comment section below.
This is all about the Jourdeness Castle. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up, and if you like to ask anything about this castle or anything in general, do let us know in the comments down below, and let me know how you like this video. And if you haven't subscribed already, do subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching. Do like, share and comment. Bye bye.